Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lavinia Lizette and thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I revive my deep wave and curly hair extensions. Curly and deep wave hair, the maintenance is much higher than it is for straight, body wave, or loose wave hair. There's more maintenance, just like our own natural hair. It requires a lot of maintenance, being that our hair is really curly. So I'm going to show you guys what I do to tame this hair. What I prefer to do is, if I know that I'm going to be wearing my deep wave unit, I will co-wash my hair the night before I wear it. So I will co-wash it and let it air dry, and then it's good to go. Now after I've worn it for a couple days, that is when the waves or the curls need to be brought back to life. So the way that I like to do that without having to co-wash my wig is I like to use two simple products: water and conditioner. So today I'm going to be using the Mega Aussie conditioner. This is my second bottle, so I've used this a few times on my natural hair. I've also used it on my my hair extensions, and I quite like it. So very inexpensive product. It is sulfate and alcohol-free, so it's safe to use on your hair extensions. So all I'm gonna do is take a little bit of this and put it into my water bottle. So let's go ahead and do that now. And I'm not gonna add a lot. If you add a lot of conditioner inside your bottle, your hair, once it dries, it's gonna be crunchy as hell. Do you hear me? You're gonna have crunchy hair. So don't apply a lot. You just wanna apply a decent amount. So I've got quite a bit of water in here. So I'm just gonna add some. That should be enough. And I use warm water because cold water is just gonna straight shock my body. So I put it in my bottle, as you see, and then I simply just shake it up. Alright, and once you're done, it should look just like this. You may see a few little pieces floating around in there, but for the most part you've mixed it up, and that's simple. Next is going to be detangle your hair. It is best to comb the hair completely out. I have already detangled my hair. I use a wide tooth comb and a paddle brush, and I just simply started from the ends of my hair. I actually did like sections, and then I start from the ends of that section and then just work my way all the way up to the root. So once the hair has been completely detangled, this is what you're going to get. It's going to be big. I'm talking about Musafa big, which I quite like this. I like this look, but we're going for the more revamped waves. So I'm gonna start by putting a towel around my neck just so I don't get completely drenched. If you're wearing a wig, you don't have to have the wig on to do this. Of course, you could do this prior to. If you got a mannequin head, put it on your mannequin head and spray it down. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it on my head. So basically, I'm going to start on one side and then go to the other. So we'll start on this side here. You want to separate the hair. So you pretty much have two bunches. We'll start on this side. Alright, and we're just going to spray away. As you see, the curls are already starting to form. It is best to saturate the hair. And then as you go, you can just comb through the hair. Keep going. So once you finish one side, as you see, the waves are more defined. You're not only adding water to the hair, but you're adding moisture. This conditioner will also help the hair be nice and soft and bouncy, like you've just had a fresh wash. So I have to be careful around my hairline because I have not glued my wig down properly anyway. So yeah, so we're gonna move on to the next side. Probably should have got me a bigger towel. Didn't think that all the way through. All right, so we're gonna start on this side. And like I said, I like to start on the bottom and work my way up. And I will just saturate the hair. And this is how your hair is going to look once you have completely saturated it. And then now all you need to do is just let your hair air dry and you're good to go. While your hair is wet, if you're wanting to change up your part, this is the perfect time to do it because the hair is already wet. I have a center part, but I think I actually might just keep it like this. But while it's wet, that's the perfect time to go ahead and style it. And then once you're done styling it, just let it air dry and you're good to go. I'm gonna go and let this air dry now. And once it's dry, I will come back and I will show you guys how the waves look. So stay tuned. All right guys, this is the finished look. My hair is fully dried. And this is how the curls will look after it's dried. It did take a while to dry, but while it dried, I just did a couple things that I needed to do before I headed out. And this is how the hair is looked for the majority of the day. I've been out all day today, and this is how the hair looked once it dried. It's a quick thing to do to just revamp your curls just by using water and conditioner. I think it's really, really easy and simple and quick. This eliminates you having to wash your hair. If you don't have time to wash your hair, but you need your curls to be revamped, this is a quick and simple way to do it. So I did change up my style a bit. I wanted it out my face, so I did a half up, half down style. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this style, I'll link a video below showing you guys how I achieved this style. Using the conditioner in the water, it keeps the hair soft and nice and bouncy. I didn't use a lot of conditioner, so my hair is not hard. It's still nice and soft. And of course, the more you play in it, the bigger it gets. So once it dried, when I went out, I didn't bother it. I didn't touch it at all. So this is how it looks after me being out for several hours today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was super easy and quick for you guys. And the next time that you're wearing some curly hair that you've had thrown in a bag, or you just can't be bothered to wash it, just try this easy, simple step. This will bring your curls right back to life. If you're curious what hair I'm wearing, this is the Brazilian deep wave from Poshlife hair. This was made into a wig and colored, I believe it was Cajun spice. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this color, I'll also leave the video down below in the description box where you can watch how I colored this hair, the products that I used, and how to achieve this color. Thank you guys so much for viewing my channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, it was super easy, super quick. I just figured I would show you guys because I knew that I needed to head out today and did not have time to wash my hair. So I just wanted to share what I usually do. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @IamLaviniaLizette, and also follow my business page, Poshlife Hair. If you're interested in viewing my hairline, check out my website at poshlifehair.com, or if you are in South Georgia, come stop on in and visit us in our boutique in Albany, Georgia. Thanks again, guys, for viewing my channel. If you're not subscribed, please go hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao.